Hi, my name is Brian, and about a month ago my basement flooded, which is a really big deal to me because I have my own office here in my basement, and I couldn't do any work with it flooded, of course. That's when I found OrientalRugCareNY.com, and I have to say I had a really great experience. The person that I spoke with on the phone was very sympathetic to my needs, and they actually had a technician out here within 45 minutes of my phone call, so they could begin working right away, and my basement was completely fixed within 3 days. And so I was barely down, and it was great. And to this day my basement is now mold free, and there's also no mildew, and that's saying a lot being here in a rainy climate. So I'm definitely going to keep them in mind and use them for anything that I have come up in the future. And I really think that anybody else to use Oriental Rug Care NY will have great results as well. So thank you very much, and take care.